Hello, my name is Jordan, and I'm a senior here at the University of Pennsylvania. I'm both a Division I swimming athlete as well as a computer science student here at Penn. After my first year, I worked in an epilepsy research lab doing bioinformatics work. I was responsible for the development of a cloud application for storing EEG data. For the next 2 years, I would work at Google, the first time in Cambridge on the Android newsstand team doing infrastructure, and the second time in Mountain View at the headquarters doing mobile development on Project Phi. I'm currently deciding between a full-time offer at Google and going to graduate school. I'm also in the process of applying for the Rhodes Scholarship and other scholarships that would take me to the United Kingdom. My first year of college was very difficult. My first semester, I found it was really hard to balance both school and swimming, especially because school was more time-consuming and certainly more challenging. However, it got a lot easier sophomore year, and it's been easier ever since. But I can honestly say at no point has it been easy. It's always been a challenge, but just not as hard as freshman year. The most important parts of Sunset to me were the introductions to technical skills that would help me throughout my time at Penn. I took multiple courses with Mr. Galbraith in computer science, and I can honestly say they gave me a leg up over my compatriots here at Penn, especially in that I was introduced to concepts like programming and sort of more technical thinking that really helped me along. I was also a part of the IB curriculum in that I got the IB Diploma. While it was very useful to me in establishing a strong work ethic, because there's a lot of work involved in the IB process, there were certain limitations when it came to transitioning to college in that it didn't give many credits, especially in comparison to AP classes. In fact, the 3 credits I got from standardized testing came from my 3 AP tests, and the 11 or so IB tests I took gave me no credit here at Penn. This is a testament to the importance of AP courses. So I can say if I were to go back and go to a high school again, I would go to a place that offered AP courses and prep for AP tests because they give a lot more credit, especially at higher institutions. So what was most valuable to me at Sunset was, as I said before, sort of the introduction to technical skills. And I can't really emphasize it enough in that when you get that initial introduction to computer science and programming and sort of understand how to think technically and about these challenging programmatic problems, it helps a lot in college, and that you sort of are starting at as a farther point. I actually skipped the first computer science course, which is designed sort of as a weed-out course. It also allowed me to accelerate into a teaching assistant program here at Penn, and I was a teaching assistant for 4 semesters before focusing on research. So in conclusion, while I did appreciate the IB curriculum and Sunset for sort of prepping me for this really tough environment and giving me a strong work ethic and an ability to balance both swimming and school, I have to say it would be more useful to me if I came from an AP background. However, it is still important that I got those introductory computer science skills. Thank you for your time, and have a nice day.